I'm Maria from Bun and Accent Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we want to show you how to do a cute bun style. So let me turn you around. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one.
I started off by having the hair straight down the middle, and now from the crown going down to the temple under the angle on both sides. This way you have a triangle shaped section now, and tie it with an elastic. Now I will take another part line going straight down to the ear on both sides and leave those sections out for now. The rest of the hair tie into a low ponytail.
I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know.
I'm going to split my top ponytail in half, and I'm going to twist each strand in the opposite direction and tie it together with an elastic. I'm leaving about 2 inches distance between the elastic. The rest tying into a simple French braid and securing it with an elastic in the end.
I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know
I'm using argan oil to keep the hair nice and smooth. Now split it in two, but I'm making sure that my top section is wider than the bottom. Brush it out, and I will reach between my 2 twisted strands, and you could do it with fingers, but I'm going to use the topsy tail tool just to keep it a little bit easier. So thread your topsy tail tool in between the twisted strands. Now put your strand through the loop so it goes over the twisted strand and under. And now pick up your other section, brush it out. The bigger section I'm going to split to 2 strands. This way I form 3 strands, and I'm just going to make a simple French braid going down to my bottom ponytail and securing it with an elastic.
tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, 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 baby, without.
Repeating the same steps on the other side, I'm splitting my section in two, making sure that the top is wider than the bottom. Again, reach with the topsy tail tool through the middle of the twisted strands and pull your top strand so it goes over and under the twisted section. Split your wider section in two and make a French braid going down to the bottom ponytail and secure it with an elastic.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
I didn't like that so many elastics were on the bottom ponytail, so I decided to combine my 3 braids with 1 elastic and then attach that to the bottom ponytail. So you could leave it as is or do it like me right here. Now I'm making a simple French braid out of the ponytail, and I will roll it in a bun and secure with bobby pins.
I'm too invested. I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you lock me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you
Let's do a final spin.
move.
I hope you like this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being released. As always, all the products that I used in the video I will link down in the description box below, and we hope to see you on our next tutorial. Bye!
To give you my heart, yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably